Hey YouTube, let's learn Las Vegas by Houndmouth. Back in town for the heat. Feels just like you were 17. Maybe you could get a lift from the uptown boys that you used to hang around with. You wore makeup for 3 days straight. Half a Xanax for the holiday. Look in your face, you're rolling eights the hard way. Came here to win, we didn't come for the entertainment. Whoa, I believe in Las Vegas. City of plastic, so real it's dangerous. That's got all 3 parts in it. So let's learn those 3 parts of the song. The first part of the song is the verse, and it's just kind of like a B power chord. And then we go to an E power chord. And then we go to an F sharp power chord. And it cycles between those 3 chords. But it stays on B the longest. Just kind of briefly on the E. Briefly on the F sharp. That's the verse. And then there's a pre-chorus. So that's the part where a pre-chorus. G sharp, minor, E, power chord, F sharp, power chord. Whoa. And then we go into the chorus. And that's the same chords as the verse, but it's just a different rhythm. So it's like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But it's still B, E, and F sharp major. And there's a little guitar solo. I think he plays some of that at the 7th fret. And then I think he goes up to the 14th fret. And then he finishes up, I think this is the 19th fret on the high E. But basically those are all B in the scales of B. First we go to B, we have a B here at the 7th fret on the low E. It's like a little Chuck Berry riff. So he's playing in the minor there, the minor pentatonic. But then when he goes up to the 14th fret, he's playing in the major pentatonic. Alright, so that's how to play that song. Thanks for watching, and thanks for that request. Appreciate it. Bye!